a day in the life of me. I don't believe in going out to get a job. I think those are a bunch of pyramid scams anyway. So the alternative to having a job is to be free. 12 years and counting. Soon to be 13 years and counting. I could never afford to live like this if I had a job. Can you hear the sound of the water? It is so beautiful and so soothing and so good for the soul. I could listen to the sound of that all day long, and oftentimes I do. Virginia, right now I'm in Wisconsin, so this is actually Lake Michigan. From the shore of Kenosha, Wisconsin. Hi Linda. Hi Paulette. Hi Mariana. Hi Deb. Very nice to see all of you. Hi Courtney. Well, you caught me on today, Linda. Pretty cool. So if you guys like all this no job talk stuff so you can do what you want, I've got more on my website. It's TomBerkenmeyer.com, just like it's spelled here in social media, TomBerkenmeyer.com. Hi Lindsay. Alright, I'm going to end this. Feel free to share it. The sound, if anything else, is so meditative. It's so nice. And my website is TomBerkenmeyer.com. See you later. Mwah.